Good morning, Astrolifers. Well, that's it. I can't believe this is the last video of the year. It's just gone so fast. I'm not sure how it has been on your end, but for me, it has gone really, really fast, and it was an extremely busy year. A turning point, and so it should have been anyway, because it was a year of healing, transformation, which is going to be very different with next year, when it's all going to be linked on action and moving forward, and the world of finances and social gathering. The rat loves to be with different people and meetings and action, taking action, and the world of finances. So that's going to be a new, completely different energy of this year, which was in the peak of Earth and the healing and changes and knowing what we wanted to keep on going or not, and cleaning up into our lives what was still serving us or not. It was the peak, the last one, and now we're going to start a new cycle. But let's talk about the stars in the Western world. Western astrology. I'm really happy about this week, and I'm actually very happy because I actually might have my wish come true. For me, it's the rain. That's what I'm looking for Christmas. And I had a few of you that said, look, we all want that for Christmas. If you say that the stars are good for Christmas, are we going to get some rain? And I was like, well, there's a big chance that we do, because the 27th is one of the best days of the year. So for us to celebrate and to be happy, rain is going to be what we need in Australia. So I can see the forecast. I can see it starting to be cloudy. I just hope it's going to be the same everywhere around Australia, that we are going to get that rain that we so much need for everything and everyone, and all the wildlife for sure. So today the stars, we've got Mars and Pluto. That's very good for contracts. That's really good for work. So if you've got any opportunities today, good news linked with contracts or things that you need to do, please sign up. You cannot get better than that. Pluto is the industry, it's the transformation, but it's also linked to an industry. And Mars is the planet of work and action. So please go for it. It's awesome. We've got a new moon, and that new moon is absolutely beautiful, and it is on the 25th, 26th, which is linked with the solar eclipse, which is absolutely awesome. So just to give you an idea, a new moon is always a time that is great to start new things, to plant the seeds and to go for it. But on the top of that, we've got an eclipse, so it kind of makes it like a new moon multiply on steroids, like a 3 times new moon. So go for it. So not only will last until we get into the new year, for sure, it's going to be so strong, but in the same time the effects are going to be multiplied as well. So that's going to be a very, very awesome time. So I already know that Christmas, everyone's going to have some good news. You're going to be happy about the presents you receive, happy about the time that you're going to get and the way you're going to be exchanging with people. The luckiest day of the year is going to be the 27th, 27, 28, depending where you are. And it is going to be the luckiest day of the year. Why? Because we've got the Sun and Jupiter that aligns precisely, perfectly. They're going to be aligned, so giving us a very, very lucky day. So I already have a couple that is getting married during that time. I've got some other friends that have awesome news happening on that time as well. Definitely a day where you want to celebrate, where you want to be doing something, because it's going to be an awesome day. So some people are getting the business out on that day, organizing big parties or doing things like that. Please go for it. Go out, meet people, enjoy yourself. It's going to be awesome. So you need to be doing that. It's going to be really a beautiful day. So whatever comes your way will be blessed and will be really, really happy. Now, we do have that aspect as well that is going to keep on going. It is quite strong. But that aspect, don't miss it, because we won't have that in 2020. We will have to wait the 28th of January 2021 to have the same aspect. So please make sure that you enjoy it. And I'm not saying that next year year is not good. It's going to be an awesome year for a lot of things, but I'm saying this kind of aspect, you know, where it's perfectly in sync, perfectly aligned. You need to enjoy it because it is, yes, it is perfect. You cannot get better than that. So it's going to be a fantastic day. So the solar eclipse, let's go back just a little bit to the solar eclipse. The solar eclipse is going to bring some opportunities, some reward. So again, just make sure that you enjoy those opportunities and the rewards, simply because, especially the opportunities, obviously the rewards, you will just have to accept them and get them, but the opportunities, just make sure you take the time to do it and to sign. I know it's Christmas, I know it's a time where sometimes we're like, oh, do we really want to be working during that time, or accept, you know, or sign a contract? Please do it. You will still have the next 10 days, so it will definitely align in January and keep on going for the next 10 days, so at least, you know, until the end of the first week of January. But remember, it's always stronger at the beginning, so you know, if you have time between celebrations, just take 5 minutes or 10, you know, or even an hour or two to sign that contract and to make it happen, because it's always better when you are at the beginning. It gets diluted as time goes, so you prefer to do it when the stars are good. Well, look, that's it. That's the last video of the year. I've had a very, very busy month, as you've seen. There was the retreat after Mercury retrograde for the adults, which was absolutely gorgeous and awesome. We had a beautiful time with those ladies. Then after that, I had a Christmas party. It was just absolutely magical, the time that we had, and the energy in the room, and the beauty of my elites, and the way it was just absolutely a gorgeous time. We really enjoyed it. Everyone came back saying how good it was and such a good time they had, and the energy, how they loved the energy in the room, and how they appreciated all that. And we just had the kids retreat, which was also awesome. Even my son on the way back was saying, "Mom, this is the best kids retreat we've ever had." And I had to agree with him. It was just so nice and smooth. The house where we were was awesome. The people who helped me were absolutely awesome. The team is really getting, you know, when it just flows, you know, people were there helping out. It was beautiful. We were having a great time. It was almost sad to split up. People were saying, oh, you must be tired, you know, from the kids retreat. Well, no, not at all. We had that bond. It was just really, really awesome. And we really created friendships between those kids. And yes, the kids playing board games and going to nature and not, you know, being in the front of the internet, and learning how to connect with nature and have a great time and really enjoy themselves, and wanting to go for a walk and, you know, hugging trees or learning about Reiki. It was absolutely awesome. We had a session about Reiki and self-healing with Tina. That was absolutely fantastic. And we just, hi everyone, hi there, hi Jean, hi everyone. So yes, it was absolutely awesome. So that's it. That's the last video. Well, no, it's not, because actually I will be jumping on the 30th. So it's not the last. It's the last before Christmas, but it's not the last. I will be there to wish you a happy new year, and I will give you more information actually about 2020. I'm also going to be writing down the month, well, what is left of the month on my wall. I will put it out there to help everyone, just to make sure that you are all sorted with what's coming up until the end of the year, and giving you a little bit of written things as well. So that will be my present, to make sure that you all start January with the good and the right information. Obviously, it will be sent to all the people that have had readings with me. So yes, I am going to be stopping the readings for a while, but do not worry. Whoever has had a reading with me, I will still be there to answer your questions, because I'm going to be focusing on the elites. I'm also going to be focusing on bigger events where I'm going to be answering questions into the room, so you will still be able to have access to my services if you come to those events, and I will give the microphone and answer on the spot to different questions, just to show you that astrology does work. And yes, having more people, and also focusing really on the success of my elites. So that's where I'm going to go in the next couple couple of years, and organizing a lot of events like the retreats that we just had, stepping it up in that sense, and organizing more events where you can come, even locally in Australia, because a lot of people have been saying, okay, it's great overseas, but can you organize more things in Australia or even around, in Melbourne? They've been asking me to go in Darwin and things like that. So I'm going to be doing more things in Australia and come and see you guys and organize bigger events and bring my elites with me into these events so they can present also what they are doing. So look, an exciting year coming up. I wish you everything the best for Christmas. I'm so happy to be delivering those great news with the stars. And yes, just waiting for the rain. That's what I'm waiting for. Anyway, talk to you next Monday to wish you a happy new year and have a beautiful Christmas. Thank you for listening. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Bye.